Hey you, do you saw pictures of animals mixed together and thought about how good will be if it was possible? My name is Monium Zawiak and today's topic is the hybrids. So first, we need to know what a hybrid is. A hybrid is the offspring of two genetically dissimilar individuals, or in much simply a child of different creatures. And what are the limits? Well, you get your DNA from your parents, and humans' DNA similar to each other, because of course they are the same species, so you probably know this chart. This is the scientific classification called taxonomy. In really short, this is how scientists name, define and class groups of organism. Homo sapiens are the species, the only type of humans exist now. They in the genus called Homo with other previous humans, like the Neanderthals. The reason why it is important because hybrids in animals happens in only the genus section. Let's look at some examples, shall we? The most known hybrid is probably the mule, child of a female horse and a male donkey. The hinny is the gender bend version. Both of them are in Equus genus, which is consisting of horse, donkey, cane, zebra, onager. And there are the zonkey and zors too. The liger, the biggest living cat, is a mix of a male lion and female tiger. The tigon is the opposite. And they are part of the Panthera genus. The pizzly is a mix of polar bear and grizzly, and actually there is no difference, I think, in genders. They in the Ursus genus. So it shows how hybrids happen with close species like cousins. So how they were born? Well, some of them are due to human interaction. The Gröler bear is a quote-unquote natural hybrid, due to the ice melting, which results in polar bears wandering off and meeting grizzlies. The common mix of llama and camel are product of artificial insemination, and only if the llama is the female. The beefalo is a mix of a cow and a bison and one of the few hybrids which are fertile. It is bred by humans. There have siblings. The zoo changes the bison to yak. The zoo is also fertile. Both were made for beef production. So can they reproduce? Most of them can't, and it is because of the chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. Most species have different in number, and that means they don't match up, and because of this many hybrids don't have viable sex cells, which means they can't produce sperm. In short, those hybrids who have odd number chromosome are sterile. So what is the problem with them? They can be dangerous. Think about the mix of a wolf and coyote. Wolves are strong but don't like humans. Coyotes are not afraid, but they're too small to be a problem. But their offspring, a coy wolf, is a problem. Stronger than a coyote and braver than a wolf. If we talk about wolf, same with the wolf dogs. Some people actively wants them. And by the way, mixed breed dogs are not hybrids because they all part of the same species. One hybrid which is interesting is the liger, because it is much larger than their parents, while the tigon is the same as an average lion. And the reason is that lions lives in packs, and female lions mate with several male lions, and male lions adapted to maximize the cub size to make sure it can compete with other lions. And lionesses developed a growth-limiting gene which keep lions in a certain range. Tigers live alone, so they presumably don't have the growth gene limiter, and that is why ligers grow to the size they are, while tigons are the same or smaller than their parents. And this was my quick summary about hybrids. I didn't go too in-depth, but I don't think it is necessary. And don't forget, humans are like dogs. They look different, but they still the same species.